Have you ever wondered how your deepest desires and dreams could actually become your reality? What if the ancient wisdom of chakras could be the key? Yes, the chakra system, an intricate and fascinating concept emerging from spiritual practices, holds secrets that can transform our lives. Let's peel back the layers of this enigma, shall we? Originating from ancient India, the chakra system is a complex network of energy centers within us. Picture 7 major chakras like glowing orbs of energy lined up along your spinal column. Each chakra pulsates with its unique energetic qualities, managing and expressing our life force energy. Now here's where it gets even more compelling. The chakras operate on 2 currents. Imagine a river splitting into 2 streams. One is the liberation current, seeking freedom and universality. The other is the manifestation current, yearning for enjoyment and individuality. The manifestation current, as the name suggests, is our gateway to bringing dreams to life. But how? Let's delve deeper. The manifestation current isn't just a concept, it's a process, a journey that starts at the crown chakra. Imagine a river of energy coursing from the universe, flowing into you through the top of your head. This is where your crown chakra resides, acting as the entry point for the manifestation current. It's like opening a doorway to the cosmos, inviting in the universal life force energy. Now this energy doesn't just stay at the crown, it descends, journeying through the 7 major chakras that line your spinal column. Each chakra is like a whirlpool, spinning and swirling, managing and expressing this life force energy in unique ways. As this energy flows downward, it becomes more individualized, taking on the qualities and characteristics of each chakra it passes through. The manifestation current is not about seeking freedom or universality, that's the role of its counterpart, the liberation current. Instead, the manifestation current is about seeking enjoyment and individuality. It's about taking the limitless, expansive energy of the universe and focusing it into your personal dreams and desires. The manifestation current helps us channel the boundless energy of the universe into our personal aspirations. It's like having a cosmic ally in our quest for fulfillment. The chakra system and its manifestation current offer a fascinating perspective on turning dreams into reality. Our journey today has taken us deep into the heart of the chakra system, a series of 7 major energetic centers along the spinal column. Each chakra, an inner chamber within the subtle body, manages and expresses life force energy, shaping our experiences and interactions. We've learned about the 2 currents that flow through these chakras: the liberation current, which seeks freedom and universality, and the manifestation current, striving for enjoyment and individuality. It's this manifestation current that holds the potential to help us bring our dreams and desires into reality. The process begins at the crown chakra, the place where we connect to the boundless energy of the universe. Drawing this energy down into our individual consciousness, we then work it through the rest of our chakras, grounding it in the earthy reality of our root chakra. Are you ready to explore the power of manifestation through the chakra system? The universe is waiting for you to tap into its energy. Remember, your dreams are not just dreams, they can be your reality.